Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to draw strawberries. Let's get started. Use ellipse tool. Draw an ellipse shape. Make the fill black, stroke none, and use that as my brush. Drag it into brush collection, make it art brush, and stretch the fit stroke length and select tints. Move it to the side, and I'm gonna use it to draw my basic strawberry shape. I need to change the fidelity of the brush. And join two endpoints and delete extra points. And make the fill black, the stroke to none, and then make some adjustment. I'm using direct selection tool to adjust anchor points. And choose a red color. And make it larger. And my artboard is 500 points by 500 points. And select a few color groups, because I'm going to use color shades. Make some more adjustment of the strawberry shape. And now I'm going to use contour tool to draw the shades. Actually, this part is going to be the highlight of the strawberry. Contour tool is very useful for drawing circular shapes. And now I'm going to make the strawberry seeds. Use ellipse to draw an ellipse shape, and then make a copy. The outer ellipse shape is the shade of seed pods. And then there's another shade, which is the highlight. And the last ellipse shape is going to be the black seed. And then change the color and make it the way I want it. I'm making copies of the seed group. Make as many as you need to spread it out to the entire strawberry shape. After you've made enough copies of the seed, we're going to make adjustment by transform the directions and the size of each seed. and making adjustment of the highlight. Change the color shades. And making a copy. And I'm gonna give it a little darker shade. Move it to the back of the previous shade. Make adjustment of the highlight shade. Now I'm gonna add some white dots. More white dots around the highlight and less around it. Make some more adjustment. Make a few more copies of the seeds. Now I'm using curvature tool again to draw a few more shades. The shady area on the strawberry, and move this shape behind the seeds and in front of the basic strawberry shape. I lock some layers as I go, so when you use curvature tool to draw the shades, it won't affect those layers you already finished. And I need to make more shades. Use a lighter red. Just to make adjustment of the colors until you're satisfied. Now I'm going to draw the leaves. Again, I'm using curvature tool to draw the basic shape and make a copy of the basic shape and make it smaller as a highlight of the leaf. This curvature tool is very easy to use. You can adjust the shape very easily by adding or deleting anchor points. And now I'm making some strokes using the first brush I made. And repeat the same process. make a couple more leaves. Use the same tool, curvature tool. As you can see, this tool is very useful and very easy to use when you want to draw something made with curves. I'm making the third piece of leaf. After I finish making these leaves, I'm going to make them art brush so I can use them as a brush for my design. Now I can change to grayscale shades before I make them art brush. Now let's use the brush, choose a dark green color to draw the leafy part of the strawberry. Use those three brushes alternatively to draw the shapes until you're happy with them, and group them together. And make sure cover the empty spot. Cover the empty spot on the strawberry in the red section. Make adjustment of the placement. Make adjustment to fill the empty spots. Now we have it. This is our strawberry. You can use this basic strawberry to make strawberry pattern like that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.